I solve every single problem in my life with a nap.
Ow, ow, ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit. Oh, God.
I asked you guys to send in some questions they want me to answer. So I'm here to do exactly that. Answer your question. I, did this little look. Just me doing the most. As always. As per usual. What else is new? So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's get into this Q&A. I will be doing my makeup while I answer the questions, but I will leave all the products down below. But for my eyes, I'm using the Soft Glam palette. So yeah, let me find your questions. And if you can hear voices, specifically my brother, I'm so sorry. He's loud. My whole family is loud. Yeah. Oh, and another thing. My frontal, it has makeup on it. Like, I got makeup all over my frontal. It's dirty. I already know. Believe me, I can see too. A lot of the questions were repetitive. When I went through the questions, I could see like a lot of you wanted to know the same thing. So, what's your sun, moon, and rising sign? I have my sun in Scorpio. I have my moon in Sagittarius. And I'm rising in Libra. What is your dream job? Career. I always wanted to be a lawyer. That quickly changed after high school. I don't really know. I want too much in life, so I kind of have many, but I don't know. I guess my main thing would be to have something of my own. Like, yeah, I just want to have my own business. ¿De qué país eres? Yo soy de República Dominicana. I'm Dominican, from the Dominican Republic. ¿Eres completamente dominicana o mezclada? So, translated, are you completely Dominican or are you mixed? I'm 100% Dominican. I'm not mixed. I was born in the Dominican Republic. Both of my parents are Dominican. I'm Dominican. I'm not mixed. So, there's the tea on that. Un video hablando en español nivel dominicano. Of course, baby. Eso viene por ahí. Da un tempecito, pero eso viene. How do you keep going even when you're not motivated? That's a hard question. The thing with me is that I solve every single problem in my life with a nap. Honestly, I'll just go take a nap. I would say step away from the problem and then come back to it. So if you're not motivated, take a nap. And then kind of just think about why. Like, what's been happening in your life? When did it all start? When did you, start feeling like you were not motivated to do whatever you want to do? I give myself pep talks, and I'm the type of person that I don't have time. I always, I stay saying that. Those who know me, they know that I always say that I ain't got time for this because I ain't got time, But I would say surround yourself with people that uplift you and motivate you. Talk to somebody about your problem. Take a nap. Literally. I'm not even playing, just take a nap. As soon as you can pinpoint the problem, it's easier for you to find a solution to the problem. You have to, have that mindset, you ain't got the time to not be motivated, really. If you ever feel a little low on confidence, what do you do to remind yourself you're bad as fuck? So you already know you're bad. You just need to refresh your own memory. You just need to find that one thing, that one person, or, that one memory, whatever the case may be. For me, again, as I said, I solve everything with a nap. I give myself a whole lot of pep talks real often because I need it. All right, so I'll put it like this. You have to be in control of your own thoughts, because the only one that can make you think that you're not bad as fuck is you. And that is also the only person that can make you think that you are. So you just have to be in control of your thoughts. Whenever you feel low on confidence, just give yourself a reminder, oh, boo-boo, no, I ain't got the time for this. I don't. It's a really hard question because I feel like everybody deal with it differently. Do something for yourself. Do something that makes you feel better. When did you start getting into makeup? I would say about 2 years before I started my channel. And then I took it real seriously when I started my YouTube channel. 2018, 2017 I started my channel. So I would say 2015, 2016, something like that. That's when I started getting into makeup. Can you do a video with your mom? Yes, I can. Do you regret going blonde? Well, if you're talking about my natural hair, no, I don't. It's just hair. It's just hair color. Like, I could literally go back black whenever I want. But no, I don't regret it. I love my blonde hair. Who's your hair plug? If you're talking about where I get my wigs from, I get my wigs from different places. 90% of my wigs are from Hair of Paradise LLC on Instagram. I'm gonna leave her name right here, and I'm also leave all her information down below. She has the best hair. This wig though is not from her. This is from another company. Do you lay your own wigs? If so, can you show us? I do lay my own wigs. And yes, I guess I can film a video on it. At least I'll try to film a video on it. Can you do hair tutorials? Listen, I can do hair tutorials, right? With wigs. But if y'all want me to do like natural hair tutorials, this is not the channel. Just because there's a reason why I wear wigs. I'm lazy with my own hair. Like, I'm not trying to deal with my own hair on an everyday basis. Honestly, I'm just not. I love my natural hair. Don't get me wrong. I love my natural hair, but I'm not trying to deal with my natural hair. And the reason why I wear wigs is because I don't know. Like, I'm not creative when it comes to natural hairstyles. You know, like, I either wear it in a puff, a bun, or a slick bun. You know? A high bun, a slick bun, or a puff, a high puff. Like, it's literally either or. Like, that's the only thing I do with my hair. And, you know, I don't really think you guys need a tutorial on how to do a bun. So, of course, I can do hair tutorials, like, with wigs, like how I curl my wigs, or how I do my, like, half up, half down type thing. I can do videos like that, but don't expect natural hair videos, because that's probably not gonna happen. I'm not gonna say never, but not now. Is there anything you're looking forward to in the near future, upcoming months? Yes, it actually is. Well, basically, I'm looking forward to Christmas, you know, New Year's. I'm really excited for the New Year's. I'm really excited for, you know, 2019. I'm going to Miami this upcoming month, and I'm trying to go to DR as well, but I don't know. How many languages do you speak? I speak Spanish, Norwegian, and English. Dream destination. I don't know. I want to travel around the world. I don't really have, like, I guess I do have like a dream destination. I guess my dream destination would be maybe Bora Bora. I think Bora Bora, and then the next one will be Belize. I really want to go to Belize. What I really want to do as well, I want to go to DR and like just explore and experience like my own country, because I haven't really done that, you know. Like, of course, when I'm there, like, you know, I'm there, but I'm like there with family and stuff. It's not like I've been exploring my own country, my own island. So I kind of want to do that as well. What language do you think in? I can't answer that because I really don't know. I don't have a specific language I think in, but if I have to guess, I think more in English and Spanish than I do in Norwegian. So, ideal first date. First date has a lot to do with like with the person you're going on a date with. You need to be funny, baby. You need to make me laugh. You need to, you know. Yeah, IG videos or YouTube videos. I would say both. IG videos because they're easier to make, they're easier to edit. I think if I have to choose one, I would say Instagram, but at the same time, it's like it's fun to make YouTube videos. So I don't know. The last question is, how old are you? I'm 22, you guys. I'm 22 years old. Ooh, I like this lip combination. This is cute. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this, more chatty videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Is that it? I think that's it. Did I say everything I was going to say?